Too much email? Try sending less. I know it sounds strange, but if you've ever heard of the law of attraction, where, for example, let's say you're considering buying a Volkswagen Polo, a red one. You start thinking about or looking at red Volkswagen Polos, then all of a sudden you start to notice them all around you, in car parks, at the local shopping centre, parked in driveways, or driving beside you on the road. Once we focus on something, we tend to see more of it. The volume of email we receive is the same. The more you send out, the more you get back. Whilst it might seem simplistic, before you press send without thinking, consider a phone call, which might just minimise the back and forth of email, or try keeping your request in an email in drafts and adding to it during the course of the day. As Albert Einstein once said, we cannot solve our problems with the same thinking we used when we created them. To create less email, try something different. I'd love to hear how it goes.